I'd heard there was a secret chord that David played and that pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Well, your faith was stronger, but you needed proof. You saw her waiting on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight all through ya. She tied you to the kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Radio 1 in DM. Ponosna partnerja pri največji skupni dobrodelni akciji. 28 ur dobrodelnosti.
Čarobnost obdarovanja.